Hey, it's Clyde here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the worst coffee I think ever. And so now it's time to show you guys the ingredients, I guess. So you guys are going to need milk, pumpkin spice creamer, sugar, pumpkin pie spice, vanilla, and of course, coffee. So I'm going to be using different amounts, unlike what the recipe says that I'm going to link in the description. But I'm only making coffee for myself, but that one usually makes coffee for two. So don't turn this on yet. Wait until all of the ingredients are in there. Third cup of milk. This should be pumpkin puree. It's much better, but we don't have pumpkin puree, so I'm using pumpkin spice creamer. And usually people put like 1 to 2 tablespoons in there, but I'm just gonna eye it because I like a lot of creamer. Sugar. Depending on how sweet you want it, put 1 to 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna put 1 because this is a small coffee, but usually for a normal batch I put in 2. If you want it really sweet, like normal pumpkin pie, like, you know, whatever. Pumpkin pie spice, ginger, cinnamon, and nutmeg, but half a teaspoon. I kind of just eye it. Lastly, I'm gonna drop in like a glug of vanilla. The recipe called for a tablespoon, but that is way too much. So like just a little goes a very long way, especially in small batches like this. Turn it to medium heat, which on my stovetop is 4. So you're gonna want to whisk this until it's like an even color, and you are going to cook this until it's steamy, when steam is rising out of the pot. So yeah, until then, just keep whisking, or you can leave it. Looks like our coffee is steaming. I'm going to give it one last little whisk. Now that it is steamy, turn it off and take it off of the heat. Now I'm going to put my coffee in it. This part really depends on personal preference. I like a lot of coffee with my creamer. A lot of people like it half, creamer, half coffee, but I personally like more coffee than creamer, so I'm going to be doing a cup, or a cup and a half. So now that your coffee is in there, you're gonna give it a quick little whisk, but silicone whisks are absolutely perfect for this. Now, take your pre-prepared cup, I'm gonna clean up my mess and pretend that none of that happened and I poured it perfectly. So, there you have it. Coffee. Pumpkin spice coffee. I'm drinking it like this, but a lot of people like to put whipped cream on their coffee. And they usually put like pumpkin pie spice on it, but if you're gonna put whipped cream on it, I recommend cinnamon. That's really good. But yeah, try to make this recipe. Don't burn your house down. It's also 4:30 in the afternoon. So I'm gonna take a melatonin after I drink this. So yeah, cheers to fall, I guess.